Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the basics. Check Chrome OS version and back up your files so nothing is lost. Once done, verify the terminal app exists or enable Linux, Crostini, in settings right arrow developers. This restores the environment terminal needs. If the terminal launches but shows errors, note the exact message. Those words guide the next steps. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and signed into a Google account. Network access and account permissions are required for reinstall and updates. You'll use Crash and the shell to repair the terminal. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus T to open Crash, then type shell to get a full prompt. Run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade Y to refresh packages and fix missing dependencies. This resolves many runtime failures. If the terminal app itself is corrupt, remove and reinstall the package with sudo apt remove purge package, then sudo apt install package. These steps replace broken files and ensure permissions and dependencies are correct. Finish by restarting Chrome OS so updated packages and configurations take effect. Then open the terminal and test common commands like ls and echo. If settings or profiles are corrupt, reset terminal preferences or remove and recreate the Linux container to get a clean environment. Make sure to reinstall any needed packages afterward. If problems persist, capture the exact error output. As a last resort, consider a power wash to return to factory state, but back up data first to avoid permanent loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.